Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to use your GoPro Hero 5 as a dash cam. Okay, I decided to use this GoPro as a dash cam because it has been in my closet for a long time and I don't really use it. So I decided to put it to work. So yeah, so I use it every day now, just to use it as a dash cam, because you never know what's gonna happen on the road. You can catch something interesting on the road and make it viral on YouTube or or some other place. Okay, yeah. So this is what I did. As you can see right here and right here, and I'm using this like kind of a neck. This thing came with a kit that I bought for GoPro. Yeah, it came. So I was like, what is this for? I don't need this. But then I realized that I can use it on my I can use this on my GoPro as a dash cam. Like something like that. You know what I mean? And then yeah, this, and let me see. And these are the settings I'm using for 1080, 60 on looping. Yeah, Wi-Fi and GPS right here. The Wi-Fi GPS, where I can transfer all the files. Where I can use, the Wi-Fi is where I can use my iPhone as a remote. Yeah. Okay, this is what I'm do. This is what I did. I just put it over here, and then all I gotta do is plug it in here, and I can put this down if I want to. Yeah. You see right here, it's like a little bit bent to the back, but that's okay. And I put it right here because this is stick very good, and it has to be like that because it won't work if you try to put something like straight up. It's not gonna work perfectly. Like, it has to be a little bit like tall so you can catch everything on the road, because if you put it like right here, it's not gonna catch. You're gonna be watching the hood instead of the road. Yeah. So, and you can move it however you want it. And if let's say if the yeah, you can adjust it like that, whatever you want it. If the battery is going low, you can use this. I have my charger right here. Just plug it in here real quick, and yeah, just plug it in here. Yeah, I'm using only one hand. That's why it's like a, yeah, and you can charge it. I was using this one right here too. At first I was using this one, but I was like, it was kind of like annoying. Whenever you try to put it over here and take it off, the GoPro, yeah, it's like kind of annoying. So this is very practical right here. Very practical. Just unplug it. Of course, I do it with two hands, but now I'm using only one. Yeah, just take it apart and put it back on, and in less than a second. Yeah, and then you can put it like, you can hide it somewhere. So if you leave it in your car, somebody might be like looking for something in your car and might break your window. You don't want that. So yeah, just put it somewhere. In the meantime, I'm at home, so I'm gonna leave it over here, and I can put this hat on top. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then you run the charger all right here, all the way, and this is the cable, the charger for my GoPro. Yeah, that's how you do it.